Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to click that subscribe button before leaving. And if you are an old subscriber, I just want to say thank you for always coming back. It means a lot to me. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this DIY boss braid wig. Please, if you want to see how I achieved this look, do not go away. Keep on watching, and let's get started. So guys, this is a snippet of how I DIY my boss braid. So guys, this is the cap I will be using for the wig. Do not mind the holes in the cap, it's an old cap wig. I couldn't order for a new one because it takes so long to arrive and I couldn't wait. I'll be using a lace frontal in the front to make the wig look natural as possible. So guys, I'll be trying two methods of installing the boss braid. The first one is the needle method. Let's see which one I would prefer.
Rushy boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you need, plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable, baby girl. One day till the morning, cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling. Give it.
Now the second method, which is with the crochet pin. Let's see. Guys, I will definitely be using the needle method because it's more easier and less time consuming. So now let's get started.
Killing it again, but they in the beauty, hey, is that easy? This music, hey, hey, baby dance ya, ole ya, many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya, baby dance ya, ole ya, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya, oh ya, boom, ole. Oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay. If he my flow, do for me, my baby. Parabale, if he my flow, come on, make you take a slow. Come on, if he my flow, do for me, my baby.
Dance ya, oh Leia, no they play me like player. Oh yeah, do for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Baby dance ya, oh Leia, no they play me like player. Oh yeah, do for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my jolo. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ, spin all. They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Baby, dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby, dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby, dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Baby, me go jo dada, cause you know I blow ada.
It's that cheesy, freshy boy weight up easy. I got the cat that you needing, plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beauty so undeniable, baby girl. One day till the morning, cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling. Give it to me more, music's playing. Everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Okay now, Botsy and the killing it again. If I below. But they in the beauty, hey, is that easy? This music, hey. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Oya jo fún mi, my lady. Oya come on, my jolo. Baby dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Oya jo fún mi, my lady. Oya come on, my jolo. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ, spin all. They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music there to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play. Dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Parabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby.
Baby dance ya, ole ya. No they play me like player. Baby me go jo dada.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful, and please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.